Look at this fissure right here.
Yeah, that's unstable. Yeah, that's unstable. How long is the gap?
All right, push it tight against the wheel. Hold it there.
It's secure on this side.
Look at this crack right here. It goes deep.
Yeah, this whole section is unstable. The metal joints are rusted through.
All right, set the next one right here by the switch.
Got it. Are the cones spaced correctly?
Pull it tight across the track there.
Okay, placing the last cone now. We are all set here.
All right, this one's tight. We can move to the next section. The readings on this support beam look good.
Confirmed. The repairs are holding stable.
The resonance here is solid.
Good. Good. The tension seems right on this section too.
We finished the bridge! Great work, everyone! It looks fantastic!